Guys, what's up? It's Guard Cuber here, and I got my first package from the cubicle. Link down in the description below. Got my first cube. I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and open it up. I got my handy dandy pocket knife right here. Let's open it up. Oh, that was easy. Oh. There we go. Put that aside. So, we got cubicle stands, as you can see here. Bright orange and blue. Got the logos on there. So, we got, oh, never mind. We got more stands. We got 5 stands right there, and we got some lube. We got some lube right here. Nice. And right to the box, we got the, oh, I forgot how to pronounce it, but it's the Hyung S. Got the 4, got stickerless. And here is Matt's Hulk. And so let's open it, put this aside. Let's open it from the bottom. Yeah. Got the pamphlet to learn how to solve it. Let's put that aside. The 4x4 right here. I actually like the red, as you can see here. It's like a pink. Yeah, that's nice. So, like the color scheme. Really good. First turns, actually pretty smooth. And this is my first 4x4, so let's just do checkers real quick. I'm actually going to do big checkers, so like 2x2 checkers. There. I actually really like this cube. It's really good. And yeah, it's just really good. Yeah. And checkers, just undoing it. Yeah, I'll be back while it's solved. Got it solved, and I'll put this on the stand right here. Looks pretty nice, actually. So, yeah, I really like this cube. It turns actually really well. So I'm actually happy with it. So I've never know how to solve a 4x4. So my first 4x4, and it's a speed cube. So I'm really excited. My first unpackaging. So just a review, I got 5 stands, lube, thank you, Hyun S 4x4. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.